can see how small this thing is. It's like crazy. Yep, I'm just gonna go ahead and look for the song I picked, which is Diary of Jane by Breaking Benjamin. Go up. Oh my god, it's gonna take too long. BR. Breaking Benjamin. Diary of Jane. There's 2 of them. That means there's 2 different types of note charts. What I would recommend you do is you go to both of them and see which author looks more trustworthy. If one guy just like makes a note chart and goes, oh, here it is, and that's it, and he only has like one note chart, which is this, I wouldn't trust him very well, because you don't know if like what the settings are or how good the chart is. But if another one, you'll see like the guy has a video for it, and he'll say like everything is in sync and everything's good, then I'd go for that one. I'll go for the first one here. And this guy's made a lot of, he's made a lot of charts, so it looks pretty trustworthy. It says, yeah, conversion is good, in sync, and the difficulty is expert, and everything's good. And some people actually even have videos for their charts. If you have that, then that's pretty good too. You want to go up, you want to find Diary of Jane. And when you download the chart file, go ahead and click download. Download file now. Save the disk. And this should be on your desktop now. Yes, it is. Now you have your MP3 and your chart file on your desktop. Go ahead and close all these. Okay, now what you want to do is go ahead and open the Guitar Hero 3 PC Custom Songs folder. Go into your Tools folder. And open up Chart 2 Mid, that exe you put in here. Go ahead and open that up. It's going to load for a second. And it's going to open up a window right here. For this, go ahead and click Browse. And Desktop. And locate that chart file you put in. That Diary of Jane, that one. Go ahead and click Open and Convert. It'll say conversion successful. You can close that now, and now you can see there's an MIDI file on your desktop as well. What you do after that is you go into your Guitar Hero 3 PC Custom Songs and Tools folder again, and open up Song List Editor. It's going to do that, allow it, and I highly recommend you run this in administrator mode, even though I don't know what happens if you don't. I just wouldn't risk it. And it's going to open up this and this console. Do not close this console, otherwise it's going to close down the whole thing. Just in the end, just go ahead and click that X, and it'll do it. Okay, now I'm going to switch to my next part, is showing you guys how to actually put in the custom songs. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright guys, when you have this open, what you want to do now is go ahead and click File, Open. Once that opens up, you'll see it's already highlighted on data, so just go ahead and click OK. It's going to say a bunch of stuff for you, right here. And what you do now is go ahead and click Insert New Song. And for song name, what you want to type in is the song MP3 that you picked. So I'm going to pick Diary of Jane. This can only be on lowercase, by the way, in the first tier. And the guitar track is going to be the MP3 that you had. So go ahead and click Desktop. And the MP3 that you had. Go ahead and click Open. If you don't have this in 128 bitrate, it's going to go ahead and transcode it into 128. Because I bet this was like 192 bitrate, so you don't have to worry. Just pick any bitrate, it'll do it for you. Go ahead and click OK on that. Click Rhythm. And it's going to be the same thing. Go ahead and click the Diary of Jane MP3. It's going to say the same thing. And go ahead and in song, you're going to have to pick Diary of Jane also. Yeah, it'll be transcoded. And if you do have a 128 bitrate from the beginning, you're gonna save a little time, so it doesn't have to transcode. It only takes like a couple of seconds, but if you're impatient, then yeah. For the MIDI file, you're gonna go ahead and select the MIDI that's on your desktop. And song title, okay, this is where you want to be actually literate. This is what's gonna appear on your Guitar Hero 3 when you play it. I'm gonna pick Diary of Jane. Artist is Breaking Benjamin, and I'm not sure of the year. I'm just gonna put 2005. Go ahead and click OK. Once you do that, this here is going to be doing a whole bunch of stuff because it's transcoding from 192 to 128 bit rate. Let's wait for it to finish. And I think it finished. Oh no, here we go. It's still going. It's done. Now what you do is to actually put in that song you just newly created into the set lists. So go ahead and click Edit Set List down here. And for this, you're going to click Set List and Bonus Songs. So now what's going to happen is that is going to appear on your bonus songs. The original for this is 25. Songs per tier is 25. I changed it to 60, so for you it should say 25. Go ahead and change this to any number. I'd recommend it being anywhere from 60 to 70 or something. Because if you put it, I don't know, if you put it too high, it might cause the game to crash. I don't know, but not a lot of people have done it. Just don't take the risk. Put it at 60 or something. And what that means is since there's only 25 bonus songs in Guitar Hero 3, you'll see as on the song number, 25, the last one is Through the Fire and Flame. Since I have 2 more custom songs, I have Anthem Part 2 and Thunderstruck. So those are 26 and 27. Every single other tier number that's 25 and over, it's all going to be a slow ride. What you can do with these slow rides is use them as blank spots to put in your own custom songs. Like, number 26 and 27 for me were slow ride until I replaced them with Anthem Part 2 and Thunderstruck. And Damn It. So what you're going to do now is go ahead and click 26 for you. For me, it's going to be 29. And on song, you want to pick the song that you actually just got. And I picked Diary of Jane. So it's going to start with D. Diary of Jane. Here we go. And everything's good to go. Just go ahead and click OK. After it does that, what you're going to do is go and click File and Save. It says about to override important game files. You sure you want to proceed. And click OK. It's going to be doing some work here again. Wait for a couple seconds. And it's finished. Okay, now you're done. Now all I have to show you're done putting your song in. Now what I have to show you is opening up Guitar Hero and playing the songs. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna have to use Fraps for this because this video recording thing is too slow. So I'll be right back and I'll open up Guitar Hero right now. Okay, now that we opened that up, we just gotta follow these instructions. Skip all this. Yeah, okay, alright. Nope. Now it says your save game content is damaged and cannot be used. What you do here is go ahead and delete it. I'll see deleting content. Save successful. Go ahead and click that. And what you do here is go in options now. Go into save/load, click save game, and overwrite it. Overwrite successful. Now what you want to do is, since you already have Song List Editor running, you're going to press Alt and Tab together to minimize the game really fast. I'm going to switch back to my other video program and video recording program, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that we've Alt-Tabbed out of the game, you can see Guitar Hero 3 is running down here. So what you gotta do is, on your song list editor that you kept running, go ahead and click Update Save Game. And this window is gonna come up. It's gonna say Locate Backup S00D file. And what you do when it first opens up is you direct it to your backup. Okay, so since our backup is on our desktop, it's gonna be desktop or wherever you put it, and I put it in Guitar Hero 3 PC Custom Songs and in Backups. And there's that Aspire folder that I put in, that I told you guys I backed up in here. You're gonna click Aspire, Guitar Hero 3, Guitar Hero Save Game, yeah, this stuff, Progress, and the S00D file. Click Open. Once you do that, another pop-up comes up. And what you do with this one is you direct it to your current save game. And if you know this, your current save game is located